everybody. Today we're gonna do how to fold the paper airplane. I know I already did a video on this, except this is how to fold a paper airplane advanced. Different. So, wow, why is the light so like blazing? Try turning the light off.
Okay.
Hold on, I want you guys to tell me if
It's better.
it's better. Okay. No, that's worse.
Why don't we move the camera a little bit?
What if we don't do? Oh, perfect.
Oh, yeah.
All right,
Keep
there we
going.
go. See this paper?
I got
Fold it like a paper airplane.
Yes.
You know how to do that, guys. If you watch my other video, then you know how to do that. You know how to do that. Yes.
And just
And if you guys, comment down below if you know how to make this paper airplane. All right. So, fold it like that. Basically, just took the corners, folded them in. Now, exactly. Now, see this? Yeah, fold it like that.
oh, like it's like a
Like
card.
This, then I folded it like that.
It's like a card.
Then I'm gonna do basically the same thing, except I'm going to fold it diagonally. Oh, so advanced. Diagonally.
Can I see? Okay. Like that. Oh,
I'm gonna fold it diagonally. See? Look at that. That's like a flip. See? This is what it should look like. You are at this, and you'd fold this in, so it's diagonal instead of just straight. Like that. Yes.
can you help me?
All right, hold on.
If it's
Give
too
me a
hard,
minute.
if it's too hard, ask a parent.
If it's too hard, then ask a parent. Exactly.
Yes.
To help you with this step.
Yes.
Or if you could do it by yourself, then
That's
great.
good.
Then what you're going to do once you have this, see this little thing?
Yeah.
You're actually going to fold that up. It's actually quite simple.
To fold
You're
this
at
like
this, then you should have taken this up, like that, and then you fold it up. Then you're going to fold the whole thing in half.
Like this?
Exactly. Then you're going to fold the whole thing in half, you see? Half.
It's like
Half it up. Half it up. Half it up.
you just making this up.
Half it up. If I'm going too fast, then be sure to pause the video. So you're at like this,
This?
then you folded it backwards like that.
Oh, so like this?
Other way.
Oh, okay.
This.
So like that.
That. Perfect.
Like that.
And then,
I'm on a different seat.
see these? It's easy because then you just Then, got it. See? So it was like,
Do you turn like this?
yeah. It was like this. You fold this in like that. Then on the other side, you fold this in like that.
This. Right?
Exactly. Like so. That's how
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing. Ignore all the background yelling.
Yes.
So your paper airplane should look like that. Don't get worried. You're like, oh my goodness, there's no point. It is perfectly fine. It is more epic without a point. Show the. Actually, you did a really good job with this, Maya.
Thanks.
On to the flight test. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video. Comment down below whose is better, all right? Catch you
Mine-
guys all in the next video. Bye.